Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a phone call using Google Assistant. So launch Google Assistant from your home screen by sweeping up from the right bottom corner like this. So after that, you will tap on the mic. So when I tap on the mic, my voice will be muted, but you won't hear what I'll be saying. But I'm going to initiate a command saying call Junior. So when I initiate that command, Google will confirm if there's a person I want to call. So let me initiate it here.
Is that Junior, mobile?
Confirm. So at this point, I've confirmed that I want to call Junior. All I want to do is just come and choose a line that I want to use for calling Junior. Then the call will be made. Okay. So that's how to call someone using Google Assistant, guys. Alright. So thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please ensure subscribing so that you don't miss on any updates, guys. We shall meet in the next video.